class.
San Jose is a first-class municipality located in the province of Batangas, Philippines. This town is surrounded by the Pasig, Earth, and North Isibaan hills. Batangas City and San Pascual to the south, and Cuenca and Alictagtag to the west.
San Jose is known for its forest. The town grows great varieties of coffee, lanzones, and black pepper. It's also famous for poultry and pig farming, supplying a lot of these products to Metro Manila.
San Jose also have places of religious significance. The St. Joseph Patriarchs is a popular pilgrimage site in the town. It was originally built in 1788 with cobble and bamboo by Agustin Piarch. The current church was built in 1812 under the guidance of Father Manuel Blanco, a famous botanist.
The town is home to the Old Lake of St. Joseph Mission and its minor seminary, founded by St. Joseph Marel. San Jose was created as a town of San Jose de Malaking Tubig, named after St. Joseph the Patriarch, its patron.
San Jose celebrates the Sinuang Festival every March 19. This festival marks the town's founding anniversary and is a way to thank their patron saint for the success of the town's main industry, poultry farming.
The Aitas were the first people to live in the area, and they were planted by the river. Later, other settlers came and cultivated the mountains, building over the land.
In year 1596, the Spanish colonized the Philippines and established Bawan as a town under the St. Augustine Order. Malaking Tubig was one of its barrios. Over time, the population of Malaking Tubig grew.
Then, in 1754, the Taal volcano erupted and destroyed the original Bawan. Before a new location for Bawan could be decided, Malaking Tubig became separate from the town. The local leaders then petitioned the Spanish for permission to create a new town.
On April 26, 1965, their request was granted, and the new town was named San Jose de Malaking Tubig. This town was once part of Bawan and included what is now Cuenca.